This is the AI News Flash for May 16th, 8 a.m. UTC. First up, NVIDIA released SANA-WM, a 2.6 billion parameter open-source world model that generates minute-scale 720p video on a single GPU. The standout feature, a single RTX 5090 with quantization generates a 60-second clip in just 34 seconds. The model was trained on 64 H100 GPUs over roughly 18.5 days. Architecture uses hybrid linear attention with framewise gated DeltaNet to handle 961 latent frames without quadratic memory growth. Dual-branch camera control combines UCPE and plucker mixing. A two-stage pipeline with LTX2 refiner needs just 3 denoising steps. VBench scores 80.62 and 81.89. Rotation error, 4.5 degrees. Throughput 22 videos per hour on 8 H100s, 36 times faster than Lingbot World. Released on NVLab's GitHub under Apache 2.0, a decisive signal for democratizing creative AI. Next, Oxford Martin School published research on a new hallucination type called CHOKE, where LLMs lie with full certainty despite knowing the correct answer. Models that normally answer correctly produce confidently wrong responses after trivial prompt perturbations. The pattern is consistent across multiple models and datasets. Existing hallucination mitigation methods perform worse on choke examples, particularly concerning for medicine and law, where model certainty signals reliability. Fundamental questioning of AI trustworthiness. Lead author Fazil Berez and colleagues propose a new probing-based mitigation that outperforms existing methods, a new frontier for AI reliability research. The third story, arXiv, announced May 14th, a new policy banning authors for 1 year if they submit papers containing LLM mistakes. Targets include fabricated citations, leftover model comments like fill in the real numbers, plagiarism, and bias claims. All listed authors share full responsibility. After the 1-year ban, future papers must be accepted at peer-reviewed venues first, effectively permanent exclusion from the preprint ecosystem. Emergency measure against the flood of low-effort AI-generated submissions. Scientific director Stein Sigurdsson said the rejected material is really egregious. Aim to throttle bad actors so they don't trash arXiv, a decisive case of academic publishing confronting AI slop. Fourth, Israeli defense startup XTEND revealed a new phase of AI drone autonomy on the battlefield. Their XOS operating system lets operators command drones with mission-level instructions rather than manual piloting, a fundamental shift from piloting to commanding. Extender for indoor combat, Wolverine for outdoor strike and reconnaissance, Scorpio 1000 for drone interception, deployed with OSDOD European and Asian allies. Israeli teams pushed about 40 software updates per deployment. Completed a $70 million Series B, planning a NASDAQ listing via JFB Construction Holdings at roughly $1.5 billion valuation, following Anduril and Shield AI as a fast-growing defense AI player. Final story, Stripe co-founder John Collison appeared on Bloomberg Odd Lots, discussing the next phase of agentic commerce. He emphasized the shift to an economic model where AI agents autonomously search, purchase, and manage subscriptions on behalf of consumers. Stripe is investing heavily in payment protocol infrastructure. This parallels Visa's Trusted Agent Protocol, MasterCard's Agent Pay, and PayPal's Anthropic Agent Payments. The whole industry is racing to set standards for AI agent payment infrastructure. ARK Invest projects $8 trillion in AI agent-driven online spending by 2030. The payments industry going AI native is shaping up as the most important trend of 2026. That's all for this AI News Flash.